here we are unboxing the Audio Technica Sound Burger. Let's get this out of the wrapper and have a little look what we got. There is the Sound Burger itself. Let's pull this out. Oops. So, looks like we've got RCA cable and USB charging cable there. Here's our Sound Burger. Power there, speed. We've got a little button there, that's for your Bluetooth pairing. It's a strap, RCA output and USB charging output there. That will be for the rechargeable battery. Some kind of locking pin there, I'm guessing, for locking the arm. Nope, there we go. Let's come out. We've got a little switch there which opens it up. There's an arm there. Okay, so that's your Sound Burger unboxed. Next up, we're going to pop a record on it and we're going to give it a test.